This is the eSalon Permanent Hair Color. Um, my daughter and I have been using this for years, and it is the only thing that we will use. There's no ammonia. It doesn't smell. It you get that awful smell from other like you do with other products and stuff. It really is really nice, and your hair just comes out so soft and so. There's no damage, nothing. It's come. I mean, your hair actually comes out better after using it than it was before. You can color your hair just like a pro, and it does give 100% gray coverage. And you start ordering by selecting a color that's only 2 shades darker or lighter than your current hair color, and you can decide, which way you want to go on that. And it's crafted by real life colorists and has multi-dimensional results so that if it's going to blend your colors together and you're still going to have those highlights. And it contains the hair color, the developer. You get 2 pairs of non-latex gloves, shampoo and conditioner. You get a stain remover and a stain guard and the instructions. And in those instructions, it includes 2 types of application methods depending on your personal hair needs. And this is a really great company. If you have any questions, you just give them a call and they're right there to help you. Even if you need help deciding what color to use and or have any questions about the product or whatever, they're absolutely wonderful. So go ahead, pick up a kit, and let me know what you think.